Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you how to solve this mouse pad or touchpad not working. So as you can see, every time I'm touching the mouse or the touchpad, it is not working. So the cursor is not moving. And then, so just click this Windows here for you to go to the start button. And then once you're already on that part, you just need to search CMD and then type on CMD this code DEBMGMT dot MSC, then enter. After that, you will be prompted here. Just simply click tab, and then once you click tab, just click the down arrow key and then go to mice and other pointing device. Then click right arrow and then go to touchpad and then click enter. After that, kindly click tab until you highlight the general portion and then click the right arrow for you to go to driver and then click tab until you reach update driver and then enter. After that, kindly click tab and then go to browse my computer for drivers and then click tab once again for you to go to let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then click enter. Then click the first one wherein we have touchpad, the one with the word touchpad rather. Then enter and then installing drivers, and let's see if it is now working once the drivers are installed. As you can see, the mouse or the touchpad is now working. Kindly look at the cursor here. Let me show you. So here when I touch now the touchpad, kindly take a look now to the cursor. It's now working. So that's it for our today's tutorial.